So
2 is the starting value?
what is so when you enter your for loop, what is val?
I don't know.
Yeah, so hold your intermediate calculations, and it says you start with val being 3, right? So you enter the for loop, what's the value of val?
Oh wait,
3, okay. The first time when you enter the for loop, it's 3, okay? And then on line 6, what's going on here?
you got it? I used F instead of my this is different function. I did that. And this is why I don't want to use
3. 6, and then what are you doing with that number 6?
restarting the code so that like
Storing it.
Okay, where are you storing it? Almost. An A, okay. So what is A equal to in this line?
F from val.
And that is,
6.
so what is A equal?
6.
A equals 6, okay, and then what is this line doing?
Storing the value 6.
Okay, in val. So now when you exit your for loop the first time, what is the value of val?
the output being
6, okay. So when you go back to your for loop, what's val now?
What do you mean?
So the first time you went through, val was 3, right? And then you went through the whole loop, and then now val is 6, and you're gonna go through your loop again. So when you start the loop the second time, what's your value for val?
12.
Almost. So it'd be 6, and then after it goes through again, it'd be 12. And when it goes through again, what would it be?
Like,
It's the same idea, right? So you're starting now, so now val is 12, okay? So A equals F of 12, so what would A be?
12.
F of 12?
F of 12.
F of 12. So when you're doing this, you're plugging in 12 into this function right here. So then what would A be?
24.
24. So now value is 24.
Okay.
Okay? So what a for loop does is it goes through the whole loop, and then as soon as it reaches the end, it goes and does it again. And it keeps on doing that until it reaches the end of your range. Okay? In this case, you would go through and do that 10 times. Right? Okay. So what does val equal A do? Why do you have to have that?
So it like keeps going until.
So what would happen if we got rid of this line? If this was just like gone?
It would just stop at 3.
It would stop at 3, right? Because it would never store anything else, because you're not sending val equal to anything. So then why do we need val?
So it can store.
Yeah, so you can store the value.
Okay.
Perfect.
Good. 3 minutes so far.
That's the question that I'll have, right?
Yeah, pretty much. I think most of them have made it past it now. Yeah. Here's it over here. Fine.
Is this asking like
Oh yeah, it's for a project.
is this asking what the final results of this is?
Yeah, the example.
Okay.
Are you doing it? Yeah. You're done. The previous one? Okay, sure. Just had to do like lists and stuff. Cool.
Could you explain why this is necessary?
Well, that's a question.
I know. But
So what does it do?
will this just define A as putting value in the function?
Okay. Yeah, so you're plugging 3 into the function, and then after you plug it in, what's the new value for A? So that's when you get to the very end, okay? So when a for loop, it goes through the same motion like a lot of times, right? Okay, it loops through like you're starting with one value.
There's something redundant.
So val is kind of like your initial condition. So you're starting with 3, and when you enter the for loop,
That's right.
you're plugging it into f of val, right? And you're
This
storing it as
just,
a.
he just, the A just
And then what does
passed
that next
values
line do?
Between them. Just use this. So you just pass the value out.
As a, and then what was a in that case?
Whatever this value is. Like
Yeah.
f of 3.
So f of 3, and what's f of 3?
Yeah.
Almost. So when you plug in 3 to this function, what is it?
Oh. 2 times 3.
Which is
6.
6. Okay, so a equals 6, and then what are you doing in line 6? Yeah.
Plugging 6 in.
Are you plugging in again, or?
When you do this,
Mhm.
or you just defining what the next value is in
Yeah. So you're saying you said f of val was 6, and now you go down here, you're saying val equals 6.
Okay.
Okay. So then that was your first iteration through the for loop. Okay.
Okay.
So then your range right here is telling you how long you're gonna be in the for loop for. So you went through it once, now you're gonna go through it again. So now starting again, what's your val? 6. So now what's a equals f of val? F of 6. So what is a? So you said it was f of val, right? And that's f of 6. And then what's f of 6? 12. So now what's your a value? Okay. And then what does the next line do?
This one?
Yeah, that line. Give me a second.
12.
Yeah, and it defines val as 12. Okay. So now you're gonna go through it again. You keep on doing that, and you're doing that as many times as your range tells you. So you want to do it 10 times, so you're gonna go through the 10 times, and that's where you get that value right there.
So I just keep this redefining.
Yeah, it keeps redefining a, and then it stores that value a into val, and then it goes through it again. So what would happen if we got rid of that line right there? We wouldn't go through the range. So what would val be if you evaluate that cell right now without using it? 3, 6. So you start off with val as 3, right? And then do you ever change what val is equal to?
Well, aren't you plugging 3 in?
Yeah, so you're plugging it in, so you're saying a equals f of 3, and now a is 6, and then are you changing the value of val at all? No. So evaluate the cell, and then what would val be? Yeah, 3, because you never changed it. So we have, so now that you know if that line's gone, we only do 3, so why do we need it? Why is it necessary? What do you mean?
Redefining val as
Perfect, yeah. So it keeps on redefining val. That's exactly what it does. So then if you're not redefining it, yes, that would be the answer to that question. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so when the example showed the first one, it only showed one line from 1 to 15.
Okay.
In my code line, the first and multiple showed like this.
So do you want to highlight your entire loop body for me? You know what the loop body is? You know what the loop body is? Okay. So line 8 right there, that's like your for loop initializer. That's telling you I'm starting a for loop. And then when you indent, you're saying now I'm entering my loop body. Then when it goes to the loop, it's going to say, well, 4 out of 10, 4 times n, and then it's going to print out the list. Did I fix it? Does that make sense?
It's all about the index.
It's all the indents. The indenting is very important. It saves.
I was wondering, on number 18, when it says iterate 3x 5 times using usability all intermediate values,
Okay.
would that mean that I'm using as my arguments 2 to 7 and then just iterating through that? and multiplying each number by 3.
Did you make a function for 18?
It's because I feel like it's supposed to be.
Okay, so usually you want to start with the 0, right?
Okay, so then I would do it this other way. Okay, thanks. So wait, so is this function correct then?
So it's not a function.
I mean, not.
Just the cell. But, so the g of x equals 3 times x, so you're multiplying 3x. You range 0 to 5 in dimension 2, and you're storing them in vowels. Yeah? Perfect.
It's becoming similar.
No problem.
So do I do like the same thing?
Did you have that question still?
I like. Okay, so.
Oh, you had your hand raised.
Yeah, I did this.
A lot of confidence, huh? It's good. Different.
But like I swear.
Oh,
Why? That's what we had. Like 7,800, 1,000. Mine goes to 3,000. And I don't think I typed anything wrong. I was 0, 10, 3. And then I like did this with different. I just different ways to do that. And I didn't get the same one.
First value is 3. You just copy example 4 pretty much?
Yeah. So I don't.
Shorten it. Yeah, I don't know what would be wrong with that. So because it's been running for a long time too, if you want to click stop, you have to max out your window. Yeah. So stop, and that should kill your cell. Okay, and then click on it and run again.
And then I will do
And I can run the next one.
this because I was working. And thinking
Okay, so it's still doing that.
And I like. I'm not.
Well, think about it. So when you run through this many times, what's the last value in vowels?
What do you mean?
So you're doubling 3 10 times, right?
Correct.
So what would that number be? Just like, you can use your calculator if you want. Yeah. So let's do it. It'd be about 3,000. So that's right. Maybe the example might have been, they might have taken a picture from a different graph. That's possible.
Yeah, I was just trying to compare because I did this graph that we normally like that. So it's literally copied the exact thing and it still is different.
Yeah, I think you're good. Yeah, you're set.
When they ask like try several initial values, does the same thing happen for other initial values? So it doesn't, right? Like I mean, the pattern looks similar, but it doesn't correspond to the same like numbers.
Right, and then it says right here, you'll study this kind of behavior later, called chaos in LS30, right? So that's chaotic behavior.
So the answer is just they don't behave similarly. Like,
Yeah,
the
and
same
then,
thing does not.
and then why don't they behave similarly? Like, what's the one difference?
Because they start with different initial
Right.
values.
So the initial condition changes the behavior.
Okay.
Yeah, that kind of be what they're looking for. What's up?
I don't know what's wrong with this one.
Okay. List index out of range. Okay, so you say count equals S range 1 comma 6, right? So what is that? What is your count? If you were to print it. 1 through 6.
1 through 5.
Right, 1 through 5. So you're starting with the number 1, right? And then when we index the list, do we start with 1?
I also found the list sounds really, but I think
Start at 0?
Starts at 0. How do you start at 0? So you stored it, and then you put that initial.
This is, I am using.
What were you guys' names again? Emma, okay. I remember this. How you guys doing over here?
I just did that as well.
like I'm trying to like understand
Because I combined
Okay,
those two.
alright, cool. So you guys are working together? Cool.
Maybe just write names.
And then make sure you guys put each other's names at the top. Yeah. Good job. Oh, it's not for you guys. It's just for us. We have to get graded on it, pretty much.
Don't
Yeah.
worry, like no
Don't
one
worry.
sees
The only
us,
people it's
yeah.
me and her. That's it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
it to make it all concise?
I still don't know. I'm just doing this because I can do that. Yes.
Okay.
Just try to copy the.
Val.
Oh.
There you
Getting to the brackets.
Yeah, that's a list. So this is a one element.
If you click insert, it fixes that. Yeah.
No, that's correct.
Insert.
That's
instead of-
correct.
That should like go back to the regular way. So what's 18 asking you to do?
It's asking for me to
And so it joins this clause.
Okay.
Join,
and
plot join, come in by points.
then continue to change to use the new value. I'm done explaining this, but
It's okay.
it's creating a list using the initial value with the function f of x equals 3 times x.
Okay.
It changes
So do you think this, the number of
the value, which is like a. My question is, why am I doing this? Why is this line important?
Why is that line important? So you're saying a equals val's index. So line 7, right, sorry, loop, what is the value of that?
What am I thinking?
2, okay, then you run it through the list, down to the append f of 2, right? So that's 6 to your vowels. And when you go through again, what's your new vowels? Or what's your new A? 6, yeah.
Right, okay, I get that, but we
Okay.
have different answers, and I wonder why.
Okay. Can you
Like,
go to-
we
can
just
you
have
go to your-
different lists.
Thank you. Your different lists, 2, 4, 8.
What, isn't it 3 times x though, so how could you get 4? You're getting multiples of 2.
Yeah, what happens if you the function? Yeah. So when you run the cell, it does that, right? Oh.
I do not know what
So that happened. Okay. So right here. So you have your function named g of x, right? And then did you type this out or did you copy it?
I typed.
You typed it? Okay. So if you look right here, you have your function named f of x right there. Vowels that append f of a. But over here, your function name is g of x. And then what do you do in your for loop?
Basically, it's like assigning for every successive value that will come in the list, it's assigning it to the value a, and then it's putting the a in the function, which
Through
is
which
3 times-
function?
Oh my gosh, it has to be g of a, doesn't it?
Yeah. You guys should have the same list.
Okay, good.
If you do control enter, you make a new cell.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, what the heck? It still gives me this weird cosine.
Okay, that's nice to know.
Yes.
You have to remove all
So
of
we're not here. And then yeah, it's like your vowels. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So-
Thank you.
for your help.
No problem. What do you guys name again? Maya.
Perva.
Curva. Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm filming him. It's for an LA project we're gonna have to do.
Yeah.
like,
Only your teacher's not gonna see
Yeah.
it just for me
it's
and
just
her.
us.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Yeah. You guys are good.
That's why I'm lurking around here.
What are you doing over here? That was like a lot.
Is plot join equals true supposed to be in like quotes?
No, it's not. So you said plot join.
What's it called?
So if you look in here, these are all the different like commands for it. So you have alpha, beta. These you don't need any of those, but so it says ignoring the option plot join equals true. So what'd you put for the plot?
It was just a zip between the values.
So you zipped it, okay?
Yeah. So can you not do that?
Oh, yeah, you got it right.
What?
You got it right.
I did?
Yeah, you just deleted it.
No.
You can do Control Z and that like goes back to the way it was before. It's like undo.
Oh, that'd be so nice to know
One more.
where
Keep doing it so you get back to where you were before. Yeah. Okay.
plot join did.
Yes.
Okay.
Past tense.
That's weird.
Just a little bit.
Then why is there
It isn't like the size. You don't have to do size. It automatically makes the size. Yeah. Yeah. Good job.
Last time when I tried drawing was equal to true, it gave me like this long message with like verbose and stuff like. I don't know what I changed.
Okay. Did you change the spelling on it? Was
I
it?
don't know with it.
Was the letter? Was the message just red or black letters? In the error? Was it red or black?
Even red. I think
It was red. Okay.
I think.
So red means there's like a punctuation usually. And it was like 3 or 4 big paragraphs of black.
Oh, the error message wasn't red. The error message was black.
The error message is black. So that usually means you spelled something wrong in your function. So you plot join might have been spelled like they did in the present tense, or like you might have had a capital J or something. I've seen a couple times. But yeah, it's all good now. Yeah, perfect. How you doing?
Well, our number 10 is very different.
Okay. So why is that?
I don't know.
So what is 10 asking you guys to do? Pop the list to just okay. Oh, okay. For exercise 2, do you guys have the same function name? Because in exercise 9, it's asking you to call the function you made in 2. So if you have a different function, it might be
Yeah,
different.
I also just didn't plot it, because I thought that was not like.
Oh, yeah. Plot means make like a list. They use the list plot.
Go to the washroom.
Yeah, you don't have to ask. Yeah, you're good, man.